What?
Is that how you introduce people?
This
guy's bald. That's all you need to know about this person.
I can't concentrate. I'm trying to. 5. 3 minus 5 is.
By the way, everyone, Jess is really bad at math. Yeah.
3 minus.
What is this, Jess? What could it possibly be? What could 3 minus 5 possibly be?
2.
2. Yeah, 2. Definitely 2. Definitely. Are you kidding me?
3 minus 5 is 2.
3 minus 5 is -2, Jessica.
Oh my god. Oh,
he's singing. He's whistling that song, that banana song.
I'm gonna point
Don't point at it. I will stop you.
No.
I will stop you. We must pay attention to what Andy is telling us.
No, we can't.
He has told us not to point at it.
His name is the narrator in this game, so let me.
No, his name is Andy. He's a wonderful human being.
No, he's not. He doesn't deserve our love. Give me that.
All right, stop it. No, stop it. Stop it. See, look, Andy doesn't want you to touch it.
But I want to touch it. I want to.
Oh my.
Just a little bit. Just a little bit.
Okay, we're done. We're done.
No.
We're done. 072. See, look, Andy's telling us numbers. Isn't that cool?
That is cool, but let go of my hand so I can touch the
Put it back. Put it back. Put it back. Was that? So, do we own this house? Is this like our first house? Because this is a big house.
Yes, this is our first house.
This does not look like the house we just saw.
No, this is our first house.
This is not a house. This is a shack. This is like where people put their tools in their backyard.
No, it's where people live in like nice houses.
Oh my! Oh, what? What?
Leave the house alone.
Look at that picture. Are we gonna find that inside?
Hug,
Yep.
hug, hug, hug. Hands up. No, hug, hug. Yes. What? You still won. The power of hugs.
I brought you some steak. It's raw, so I'll throw some on the fire. Oni-chan. Garth-kun.
Oh my god. Mike, I can't do this. I can't either. Okay, I'm gonna stop you right there. I can't go back to the days.
Nani! This liquid on the side here, it's rising. We are going to die, regardless of who wins. Okay? So what I suggest is that we dab. We dab until we die.
Dab.
My last moments with you have been glorious.
This is the Mortal Kombat friendship. I'll take this in. Take this in. Yes. Yes, we're in sync.
I'll never forget you, Chris. I'll never forget you. I have to go to the center now. No!
Still alive.
Well!
Is that a snake gun? The snakes are my allies.